Hello, everyone. So let us wait for 5 more minutes before we start. Okay. Uh, Hello, all. This is Ravi. So I'm going to be the Pega CPDC trainer for this particular course. So I'm having like 5 years of experience in Pega decisioning, and I'm certified CPDC, which is a decisioning certified. So yeah, can you guys introduce about yourself and why do you want to learn Pega decisioning? Any one of you can start.
Hi Ravi, I'm Raghavendra. I have 6 years of experience in IT industry and 5 years of experience in Pega, and I'm looking for CPDC for uh, to to grow my career.
Okay, great. Who else want to introduce about yourself?
Hi Ravi, Kirti here. Um, I am majorly taking this course to upskill myself with decisioning and get better roles. And from this demo, I'm expecting to see what the course is going to cover and at what level, and looking forward to it. Thanks.
Okay, great. Okay, so anyone else want to talk something and introduce about yourself before we start the session?
Yeah, hi Ravi. This is Satya. I'm also working as a Pega developer. I'm looking for this course to upskill my knowledge, all these things. I would like to do the certification. That will help for my future.
Okay, great. Yeah, good to know that everyone is interested to learn Pega decisioning. So let us quickly get started with the first session today. So in the today's session, we are just going to see the introduction about Pega decisioning. What is that we are going to learn, how many hours of duration and everything. So this particular course is planned for overall 45 hours of sessions starting from today. So it's going to be from Monday to Friday morning 8 to 9. Okay. So 8 to
Uh,
9.
Hi,
Yeah.
Ravi.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, Ravi. This is Lavanya.
Yeah, hi.
Sorry. Yeah,
Good.
earlier I do have the microphone issues, so I couldn't able to talk.
Go ahead. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
I do have the Pega experience, and now I'm trying to learn the Pega CPDC. The reason because is I got a new project in this decisioning, so that
Mhm.
is the reason I'm planning to join this course. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Yeah. Good to know that. Okay. So let me proceed. Now, this particular course is going to be for the duration of 45 hours, and it's going to be from Monday to Friday, 8 to 9 o'clock in the morning. And in this course, you will be getting the PPTs, the recordings, you will be getting the notes that will happen in the daily. Okay. So the PPTs, recordings, daily notes, and at the end of the session, you will be getting some practice dumps which will help you to clear the CPDC certification. So they are used for understanding the format of the exam, to know how the certification happens, all these things. So we have a guaranteed certification program, and at the end of this course, you will be able to complete the CPDC certification without much support. So you will be having at least 2 to 3 years of experience, provided you practice each and every topic that's being happening starting from today. Okay. So that I can guarantee you, if you practice that, definitely you can make sure you can project yourself as a 3 years experience in Pega decisioning. You will also be getting some sample resume, which you can update with your profile and you can showcase it in the market. So that is what you can learn from this particular course, and that's what you will be getting at the end of this particular course. So quickly, let us start with the demo session today, and we will understand a high level overview what is this particular course. So this course covers both Pega decisioning and Pega marketing as well. Now, what is the difference? We'll go in detail. Okay, we'll go in detail and we'll understand. So this is the curriculum. Okay, so this is the curriculum that we are going to learn from day one. So we are going to see the overview of the Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. What are the differences? So then for the first 15 days, we are going to learn purely Pega decisioning. Then starting from the 16th to remaining days, we will be learning Pega marketing. At the end of the course, we will be having some POC sessions. So in the POC sessions, you can try to see some real-time scenarios. You will be seeing real-time examples, how the things work, how the real-time projects use Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. So all these are the starting from 40 to 45 days, you will be having all the POC sessions. So this is how the course curriculum is organized. So let us quickly go into the demo slide. Just a minute. Meanwhile, any questions before we start the demo slide, please ask right now.
So Ravi, while giving this course, so are you going to give the like the practical scenarios, real-time practical scenarios?
Yeah, sorry, I think I forgot to mention the same. So yeah, along with PPTs, recordings and notes, you will also be getting every Friday the assignment. Okay. The assignment will be given to you. So it will
Okay.
be given to you every Friday and you can practice that in the weekend, or if you want, whenever you want, you can practice it. I suggest you to practice whenever flexible, but yeah, the assignment will be given to you.
Yeah. And one more question, Ravi, like once you started giving these things, suppose if we have any kind of queries or doubts, so how are you going to be clarifying the doubts, and what is the point of contact? So where we have to reach, basically all these things.
Yeah. So starting from today, we have a WhatsApp group that will get created.
Mm-hmm.
Who will enroll into that particular group, all of into this particular training, they will be added into that group. So anytime you face any issue, you can share your screenshot and post the error. So then I'll be replying to you as soon as possible. Okay. So
Okay.
that is when you are out of the session time. But if you are in the session, you can also mention the query in the session as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi Ravi, this is Gaurav.
Yeah.
So for practicing, like which do we have any on-prem environment, or like we'll be using that cloud setup which PDN provides?
Correct. Good question. So for practicing, we are going to use the cloud edition only because the personal edition is no longer being used and you have to practice in the cloud only. So I'm going to share you the cloud edition link and everything, how to practice, everything. I'll discuss it today so you can understand how to practice it. Okay.
And which version are you going to give us the training?
Yeah, in the latest version, that's 24.2.
Okay.
Hey, hi. I just joined. Now, I'm sorry for asking this question again if you have already repeated.
Yes,
Um,
ma'am.
I'm an LBA with one of the leading bank in Pega. So I see there's so much focus over the CDH. So just to trying to understand, with this course would help me in the business architect role.
Yes, definitely. Definitely.
How does?
This course will help you both technically and functionally because
Okay.
you will understand the topics both functionally and technically. So being a BA, you can write your user stories much better compared to how you know before the CPDC. Okay.
Okay. So this covers the complete CPDC. I mean,
Yes.
see, I'm being very open. I'm very bad in this technical aspect. So I'm a CPBA. So I do majorly go through this all other things. Okay, but at the same point, right? This would definitely cover BA aspects, right?
Yes, definitely. It will cover BA aspects. See, again, it will cover both BA aspects and also technical aspects. So it's up to you, right? You don't need to worry about technical. So you just need to concentrate on what is the functionality and what is the topic.
Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense.
Okay.
Yeah, hi Ravi, Janikram here. If you could possibly explore, means what are the prerequisites for this if someone wants to join, I mean, it's from other technology to this technology to shift, and how the market is, what are the opportunities?
Sorry, can you repeat the question again?
No, uh, see, I'm into Pega only. If someone wants to, from shift from other technology to Pega, this CPDC particularly, what is the prerequisite, and how the market is, and what are the opportunities we'll get if we complete this course with the certification?
Yeah, so again, so this course is specifically designed to people who already learned Pega. They already have some experience in Pega. So CPDC is something which you already know Pega and then you get into Pega decisioning. But if you are starting from other technologies to Pega decisioning, I recommend you to learn first Pega, then you can learn Pega decisioning, or you can parallelly have a Pega course happening. Okay. So because the main goal of this course is the people who already have experience in Pega or who know the basics of Pega, they can extend their Pega knowledge to the Pega decisioning. So that is the purpose of this. Okay. So yeah, initially the main mandatory prerequisite for learning Pega decisioning is you need to have Pega knowledge or Pega experience. The Pega development I am talking about. Yeah. All clear?
I have a question here.
Yeah.
So after completing this course, how many years of experience you can take in decision if scheduled for a beginner
So
who has
definitely
no decisioning knowledge?
definitely 2 to 3 years you can keep it. And so that provided you practice every topic which we discuss in the course. Okay. So you need to make sure you complete the assignment. You need to make sure that you understand each and every topic. So easily you can project yourself as a 3 years experience in CPDC, Pega decisioning. Okay. All right.
Hi Ravi.
Yeah, hi.
Hi Ravi, this is Saket here. I am currently working on testing, but I know some basics of Pega CSA. So will I eligible to learn
Yes,
this
yes,
CPTC
yes.
course?
Yes. See,
Yeah,
only
but
thing, the main prerequisite for Pega decisioning is you need to know the Pega CSA topics. Okay, I'm not asking about CWSA or CLSA. At least the
yeah,
CSA topics, you need to know what is happening and you need to have some experience in CSA topics. The reason is because
yeah,
even though you are learning Pega decisioning, we might need to use data transforms, activities, uh, integrations, service rest rule, everything. So this is part of CSA. So you need to have small Pega development experience, at least 2 to 3 years, so that you can learn Pega decisioning without any issues. So I'm telling for everyone, whoever don't know Pega yet, please have a Pega course parallelly running, or you parallelly learn the Pega CSA. That is very important. Yeah, even though your Pega testing or other technology doesn't matter. Only thing you need to know the Pega development knowledge as well, at least the CSA level, which is a junior developer level you need to know. Okay, so I'm stressing out. So in case if you don't know, please parallelly practice or you go to the Pega course and then learn the Pega decision. Okay, what else? Any other questions?
So, yeah, so this is regarding like personal edition. So do you have the setup for personal edition ready? Because now Pega doesn't provide, I think.
Yeah, that's what. See, that is what I have answered just before. The personal edition, we can no longer practice Pega decisioning. The Pega decisioning has to be practiced in the cloud edition. The cloud edition I'm going to share in the chat shortly
No,
in few minutes.
what if somebody doesn't have that
No,
like
there is nothing like you don't have cloud edition. If you create the PDN account, everyone can access it.
So PDN account can be created with personal email IDs?
Yes, you can do that.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll show you how to create as well. Yeah. So you can. Yeah. Anything else, guys? We need to.
Yes, Ravi. I'm here. This is Setu.
Yeah.
Ravi, actually, currently working as a Pega developer. If I do this CDH certificate, right, CSA, if I adding that experience into this somehow like 1 or 2 years, so while switching it, if something there can ask it, like CSA is done in the recently, is there any issue to come? So I done that CSA in the past.
Some companies might not accept, but definitely there are many companies that they will accept. But some companies don't accept recent certification.
Okay.
But you cannot lose any hope. You can complete it, but you cannot have attending for all companies. Some companies do not accept latest certification. They might need you to have old certification. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Many of them are still accepting.
Okay.
Okay. So let us quickly go through the demo and we can have the more questions at the end of the session. Okay. So what is the Pega NBA? First of all, let us start with what is Pega Decisioning and what is Pega Marketing. So this Pega Decisioning course, it's also the certification name is PCDC, which is Pega Certified Decisioning Consultant. So the Pega Certified Decisioning Consultant contains two frameworks. One is the Pega Decisioning Framework. Second is the Pega Marketing Framework. The Pega Decisioning Framework purely focus on, see, basically this entire framework is marketing, you can say. See, for example, you're going to some sales, right? Who will, like some particular electronics company, they want to do some marketing. That means they want to promote their laptops, mobiles, etc. So what they will do? They will send some emails, they will send some SMS, they will do some marketing in order to increase their sales. So every business has to do the marketing in order to survive, right? Every business has to do the marketing. So this Pega decisioning framework is completely a marketing framework and it is used for marketing the business products. Like for example, some business is having some laptops and mobiles to market. Some other business, they are having some furnitures, right? They want to promote their sofas, tables and everything. So every business has something to promote and that business can use Pega decisioning framework in order to do the marketing. Okay. Now this framework consists of two topics. One is the Pega decisioning features and the second one is Pega marketing features. So the Pega decisioning features will purely rely on the logic. The logic will be, how do I send an email? I mean, to which kind of people do I need to send an email, right? For example, maybe I need to send an email to the people who have already purchased a laptop. I need to promote the laptop charger. Okay. Maybe I need to promote to the people who are having the income above 1 lakh. So this logic will be present in Pega decisioning. Whereas the Pega marketing will focus mainly on the communication, that is the interaction with the customers. That is sending the email, sending the SMS, sending the push notification. The actual communication with customers happen in Pega marketing. But the logic, the creation of the strategy, whom we need to send, what kind of people we need to target, that will be present in the Pega decisioning. Okay, so we'll see more detail about the difference. Now coming to the what is NBA. So NBA stands for next best action. Okay, NBA stands for next best action. NBO stands for next best offer. So simply to remember, right, for you to simply to remember, NBA means the next best action, which is the right offer to the right customer at right time. See, now so many businesses are there. Every single market, there is a competition. Huge competition is there. So you cannot take any chance. You need to stand out. The only way to do that is by doing a NBA. NBA means the right offer to the right customer at right time. Okay? Which means what? For example, let us say one customer has purchased a mobile. Okay, a customer has purchased a mobile in a particular electronic shop. Now the customer who purchased a mobile, you need to promote let us say, mobile case. Now you cannot promote that maybe after 1 or 2 months. That's not the right time, right? You need to immediately promote it. Okay, since you have purchased a mobile at our electronic store, we are having some good mobile case which you can purchase, which is the right time and to the right customer at right time, right? So the right offer to the right customer at the right time, that is nothing but the next best action. So it can be anything. It can be some mobile case. It can be some sofa set. Okay, it can be some whatever, any product. It depends on the domain and it depends on the business, right? For example, a customer who recently registered with the bank, you need to promote some debit card to him or a credit card to him, right? Because the customer has to do some transaction. They need some credit card or debit card. So that is a right offer to that right customer at right time. The customer joined the bank today, but you are promoting the credit card after 1 year. By the time customer might have taken the credit card from some other bank, right? So we lost the opportunity. So the entire picture here is the right offer to promote at right time to the right customer. Okay, clear? Any questions still here? Okay, I'm hoping I'm clear. So why does a business need Pega decisioning here? So why can't we use some not Pega decisioning, right? We have so many things. Why can't we use that? See, the Pega decisioning will strive the business and the business can improve in their competition by using the very effective features that we have in Pega decisioning. So there is huge competition in the market and Pega decisioning provides a very interesting and effective features that will help the business to promote effectively. See, for example, most of you might be getting everyday spam calls, whether you want to take a loan, whether you want to take a credit card and all that. So simply most of them will do, they will just block the incoming call. So that is not the right way, right? That's not the right way. You're just calling to every single customer and saying, do you want credit card? Do you want loan? So who is going to accept that unless you have a requirement? So we need to find out which customers have actually the requirement, which customer is actually looking for that, then only we need to contact them. Otherwise, it will be a spam, right? Otherwise, it will be a spam. Now, the Pega decisioning framework has all the features which will help the business to find out who is the right customer who is actually looking for that particular product or that particular service. Okay, so that is what the framework provides. That is what this particular Pega decisioning provides. The effective way to promote the products of the business to their customers in such a way that they are very happy and they don't feel like spam. So there are all the tools which will help them. So that's what happens in the Pega decisioning here. Now the Pega decisioning purely focus on whom we need to send, when we need to send, what offer we need to send. But Pega marketing is where you actually just blindly send whatever Pega decisioning say. Okay. For example, Pega decisioning will say, send this credit card to John in 2 days, right? The Pega marketing will simply do that. Right? The Pega marketing will simply obey that and it will send it. So that is the picture of what Pega decisioning will do. Okay. Now just we will have a sample example on how the things work here. Okay. So in the first icon, the entire Pega logic engine is there. Okay. It's like a brain. You call it as a customer decisioning of brain. So the Pega knowledge, Pega decisioning is there, the logic is there. In the second icon, the customer has opened the website. Okay, the customer has opened the website. Immediately, for this customer, the active offers are displayed to him. Okay, for example, let us say the customer has recently joined the telecom company as, let us say, with some 200 Mbps plan. Okay. So the customer, this particular customer on the second icon, they have taken 200 Mbps plan. But the Pega decisioning, it has identified the customer is using more than 200 Mbps and he is trying to use the internet more time. So what is this? This is an opportunity. So this is an opportunity. The custom Pega Decisioning Hub will try to provide a recommendation. Hey, customer, you don't need 200, you need a 300 Mbps plan. So customer, right, he know because he is using the internet so much and he need the data so much. So he is happy with that. So the business is because the customer don't know maybe 300 is there or not. He don't know or he might not know. He is busy, right? Now Pega Decisioning will immediately fire. Okay, take 300 Mbps plan offer as the next best action. Okay, it will provide 300 Mbps plan as a next best action. Now the customer is happy. In the fourth icon, customer is happy and the particular offer, the purchase link, payment link, everything will be provided to the customer. That's it. Now the happy customers are made. So this way, the Pega Decisioning and Pega Marketing will work together in order to promote the business products and services effectively to the customers and make sure that your promotion and marketing is happy to them and it will increase the customer value, not like a spam call saying, do you want this plan? Do you want this plan? Like, not like that. Okay. It's completely professional and it is completely quality based. How you are going to promote with Pega Decisioning. Any questions still here? Any queries? Any doubts?
Yeah. Ravi, as you mentioned here, now the Pega decisioning and the Pega marketing, they both are like different frameworks,
No, it's
but
not a
they are.
different framework. So maybe I'm not clear. I'll just tell you. So starting from 8.6, I believe 8.6, I cannot confirm, but 8.6 onwards, everything is in the same framework. That means you have only one framework, but the topics and features are, you call it as a Pega marketing topic. Like for example, the campaign, you call it as a Pega marketing topic. Okay. So everything is in the same framework, but the topics are different. That's it. Prior to 8.6, in case if you are using some 8.4 or 8.3, you need to have separate frameworks installed in Pega. But later versions, there is only one framework, but the topics are different. Pega marketing topics and Pega decisioning topics. Okay.
And this framework is built on the, I mean, when we are installing first, we have to install the core Pega also, right?
Yes, correct. So you will install Pega. On top of that, you have to download the CDH framework and you will be creating the applications on top of CDH.
Okay.
Okay. And yeah.
And does this CDCP also having the flows and all like how the Pega core Pega is having the background processing, so job schedulers and the
This
queuing.
everything is in Pega only. This is not a separate topics like background processing and all that. That's the reason I told you like CSA knowledge is important. Whoever is not having Pega CSA experience, they need to know that. Because again, the background processing, job schedulers, agents, everything is same. You are going to use the same topics. Okay.
Okay. The debugging also, is it
Yes,
going to be the same?
everything is same. Tracer, everything is same. Only thing, it's like an extension to your Pega development. So this is a purely some extension which contains the features which will help you to do some marketing. So again, I can do everything in activities and data transforms, but it is a feature, it's a framework that is given specifically for this particular marketing thing. Okay. Everything, they have given a set of features. But again, you will write activities, data transforms, case management, integrations, everything will be there.
Okay. Thanks.
So which is the minimum version of Pega is required on top of to work into this
Minimum
decisioning?
See, minimum version, it is there since 7. I don't think it is there in 6 version, but I recollect that it is there since Pega 7.2 onwards.
Okay.
Yeah. And after 8.4 or 8.6, they have removed 2 frameworks. Only one framework is there, and only one certification is there, which is Pega Certified Decisioning Consultant. Okay, Pega Certified Decisioning Consultant 24.2. So you are going to learn 24.2, which is the latest version.
Okay.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
does this one is having the lead certification as well? Like how the Pega is
You don't
having?
have a separate certification, but you are like a lead when you based on your experience.
Okay.
If you have more experience in decisioning, you can be applying for a lead decisioning architect.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah. Yeah, so you can be LDA, SDA, and junior decisioning architect, and senior decisioning architect, LDA. LDA means lead decisioning architect. So you have only one certification, but if you have more experience, you can apply for LDA. Yeah. Okay. So
LDA is for development, right?
LDA means lead decisioning architect. LSA is for development.
Okay, LDA is for business architects.
LDA is for decisioning architects.
Okay, so for
LBA for you is LBA.
yeah,
Lead-
it's for me it's LBA. I'm a
Yes.
CPBA certified, but when it comes to decisioning, right? Do we have any specific certifications for decisioning representing
That's what. Only
business
one certification is there, which is Pega Certified Decisioning Consultant, PCDC, or you can call it as a CPDC or PCDC.
Okay.
Decisioning consultant certification you will have. Only one certification, which is mandatory. Again, if you go for decisioning projects, decisioning consultant is mandatory certification. Okay, so quickly let us go to the next slide.
So
Yeah.
is it like mandatory to have this after CSSA, right? We
Yes,
can
it's
have this
mandatory.
certification, right?
Decisioning consultant
And if you,
certification. Yeah, mandatory.
yeah. So after decisioning consultant, is it okay to go for LSA
You can,
or LSA?
for LSA, CPDC is mandatory. Okay. Even if you don't learn
Okay.
Pega decisioning also, you need to know CPDC. You need to write the certification. Okay.
Okay.
You can go for LSA. No
So for
problem.
LDA,
No certification for LDA. Okay. All right. So quickly going to
Ravi,
the,
one question from my side. There is one more certification, right? Certified Pega Data Scientist. How is
Hmm.
that different from
Certified
this
data
one?
scientist is in case if you are going more in detail in Pega decisioning, like you want to, mainly if you are LDA, right? For example, lead decisioning architect. If you want to become LDA, then it's advised to complete data scientist. Okay.
Okay.
So it is more in depth into the algorithms and everything, the models and algorithms. But that's not mandatory. That is not required in case if you want to join like a senior decisioning. But if you want to lead decisioning, then it is advised to complete data scientist also. Okay, but we are not covering data science
Yeah.
here in this Pega course. Okay.
I have a small question, like how the framework would be, like the decisioning after that, which application framework it will be. I just want to know.
Yeah, we'll go through that course. We'll go through the demo and everything, the portals and everything. So let
Yeah,
us have
definitely.
these queries at the end of this session.
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay. So let us complete this PPTs and then we can take the queries, more queries. Yeah. So now I just told you about Pega decisioning versus Pega marketing, right? So the same thing I'm mentioning here. The Pega decisioning purely focus on logic creation. When I say logic creation, okay, to which customer I need to send, when I need to send, what offer I need to send, everything. So to do that, we have strategies, models, data sets, and everything. And the next best actions. Next best action means right offer to the right customer at right time. That is for a mobile you are promoting. You are promoting a laptop. All these are next best actions. So now Pega marketing is where you actually communicate with the customer, like sending the email to them, sending the SMS to them, sending the push notifications, all these things. There you call next best actions as actions. Again, we'll see everything in detail. Now, the most important topic, the most useful thing, that is the CDH portal. See, we have Pega Dev Studio for all the development activities, the App Studio, Dev Studio, in case if you want to do some Pega development, right? The same way for Pega Decisioning Architects, we have a special portal which is called Customer Decision Hub. So majority of all your work you will be doing in Customer Decision Hub. So this is same like your Pega Dev Studio, where you will do the development, and the customer decisioning portal is the portal where you do the Pega decisioning and Pega marketing. Okay, so this is the main portal. We are going to quickly see it, how it looks like, and how those will be seeing it. Now, the second portal that we have is Prediction Studio. So the Prediction Studio is where you actually create the analysis. It's like an analytics portal. So when I say analytics portal, see, for example, the Pega decisioning, what it will do, that means when I need to send the offer, what offer I need to send, to which customer I need to send, all these things, analysis, right? All this is nothing but analysis. So let us say some customer has recently purchased a mobile. Then immediately within next 2 days, the customer purchased the mobile warranty. Okay, the customer purchased the mobile warranty also. Now, same way, after 10 days, let us say one more customer has purchased another mobile. Now, immediately, Pega Decisioning is already doing all this analysis, saying that, okay, customers who purchase mobile, most of them, they are also purchasing the mobile warranty also. Now, the future customer who is purchasing the mobile, for that customer, Pega will recommend mobile warranty as a next best action. Because that analysis is telling the Pega decisioning that, okay, customers who purchase the mobile warranty is something they will purchase after purchasing the mobile. That is done by the models. The adaptive model, predictive model, they will understand the customer's interactions and they will have that knowledge which customer, when they have purchased something, what they will buy next. What kind of customers will buy what kind of offers. For example, customers with income above 20 lakhs, they are purchasing 50 lakhs cars or 40 lakhs above car. So this analysis will be there with Pega decisioning. That entire analysis and the statistics you will be seeing in the Prediction Studio. Okay, that you will be seeing in the Prediction Studio. So that's what happens in the Prediction Studio. Okay. So this next best action advisor, we are not going to cover, but I'll share you some insights on that later. So this is mainly for customer service with Pega marketing. So what I want to tell you is this Pega CDH framework, right? It is part of customer service framework. So when I say customer service framework, I think most of you have already used customer service, where you will do some inbound calls, outbound calls, right? Some customer is calling to the Pega. From Pega, you are calling to the customer. So if you remember, let us say you are using Airtel. In the Airtel, you are trying to change your name, but you are not able to change your name. So what you will do, you will call to the customer care and you will say, I want to change my name. So then what he will do, he will do in the backend. He will update your name. After doing your request, he will say like this, sir, on your name, we have like 1 GB free plan is there. So we have some 1 GB free plan is there with only 2% discount, something like that, he will say, right? After completing your request, he will say, you have 500 Mbps upgrade with 0% fees. So these kind of marketing offers, you can show it in the interaction portal, that is in the customer service portal, where the customer service representatives, when they are talking to the customers, they can actually see the Pega marketing offers. That is done by NBA advisor. So the NBA advisor is the integration between Pega customer service and Pega decisioning framework. Okay, so that's what we'll see in detail in the coming sessions, but that's what this will do. Okay, now coming to the what Pega marketing do, it will just promote through the channels. Paid media is there. So paid media means, for example, I want to promote on YouTube through some advertising and all this. So we'll see in detail. Okay, on that also we'll be seeing in detail. Okay. The next slide is what all channels are there. So channels means what? Channels in Pega decisioning means how you are sending the offers. Like I told you, right? In Pega marketing, you purely send the marketing. That is, you purely send the promotion to the customer. How you are going to send the promotion? You can send it through email. Email is one channel. SMS is one channel. Website is one channel. Retail is one channel. All these are the channels through which you can promote your products. Okay, through which you can promote your products. We also have one channel called retail. Retail means in the offline also you can do the promotion. That means when you go to some DMart or Reliance store, There also the receptionist can promote something to you. Okay, after you complete your purchase, right? The receptionist can say, okay, you have some 10% discount is there. Since you purchased products above 2000 rupees, we are giving you some $100 coupon, 100 rupees coupon, something like that. So all these are the channels which are there in Pega Decisioning. There are more channels also, but these are the main ones. Okay, clear till here? Any questions?
So do you have any integration with Pega calls? So that is also one kind of channel, right? So are we going
Yes.
to learn anything related to Pega call?
No, Pega call we are not going to.
Okay.
So that's purely customer service. So we are not learning customer service here. Okay.
So
Okay.
this marketing initiative, right? It gets triggered by CDH or by the middle layer.
Now the marketing will take the data from CDH, that is the Pega Decisioning. Pega marketing will take the input from Pega Decisioning, and whatever input, that is whatever the next best action Pega Decisioning will tell, that is going to be sent from the Pega marketing. Okay. So you'll come to know. Okay, you'll come to know in the coming sessions. You will come to know. But Pega marketing will purely rely what it has to send. It will be coming from Pega Decisioning only. So Pega Decisioning is like the logic and the brain. Pega marketing will just simply follow whatever Pega Decisioning will tell. Okay. So I'll say send a mobile offer to the customer after 5 days. Okay, it will send it. Send a laptop offer today night to this particular customer. It will send it. Okay. So that is how it will happen. Okay, we'll see in detail how it happens. We'll see in detail. Now coming to the next slide, which is inbound versus outbound. So what is inbound versus outbound? See, again, there are two types of communication, right? So one is, let us say inbound means what? Inbound means customer is contacting the business. Inbound means customer is contacting the business. Like for example, why the customer will contact the business for promotion? No, not for promotion. Like I gave you an example, right? I am trying to update my full name in Airtel app. I can't do that. I'm calling the customer care. I am trying to check for something in the portal, but I am not able to find that. I will call the customer care. So the initiation is coming from customer to the business. It is called as inbound marketing. So customer will call the customer care. Customer care will try to promote something. That is called as inbound marketing. Okay. Outbound marketing. So outbound marketing means business is only contacting the customer. So business is only contacting the customers and customers are trying to purchase something. So that is how it happens. You understood the difference, right? There is no initiation from the customers. The business is trying to promote some offers. For example, outbound emails, like the daily calls that you get, right? You are not subscribing to any credit cards or personal loan, but still the bank will call you and say, do you want personal loan offer? Do you want credit card? You did not subscribe for that, but still they are trying to spam you. Most of the time, the outbound communication is like that only, like a spam communication. But we are not going to do that in Pega Decisioning. Okay. So the inbound is where customer will contact the business and the business will promote something. Outbound is customer is not contacting the business. Business is only promoting to the customers. Okay. So that's the difference between inbound marketing and outbound marketing. Okay. So, all right. Any questions before we see the cloud edition and everything? Any
Yeah,
questions?
I have one
So when
question.
we log in,
Yeah, I'm just
so
going to
when
show
we,
that. So yeah, before that, any questions still here, whatever we learned.
Yeah,
so
Harry,
when
I
we
have one
log in,
question. Sorry, like you can grow.
yeah. So when we log in into our bank account, right, and we see a credit card offer or something, so that considered as inbound or outbound?
So you are initiating, right? You are logging in. So that means it's inbound. So anything you are starting, you call it as inbound. But you are not doing anything, you are just simply getting an email, right? That is outbound. Okay. So you are going to the business. Frankly speaking, you are going to the business. Business is promoting something. Okay.
Yeah,
So what?
I have a question.
Yeah, sorry. Go ahead.
Yeah, I have a question, Hari. Like, the inbound and outbound phone calls will be used in customer service framework. Is there any other frameworks also we are using inbound and outgoing?
No, only that only. Customer service
Mm.
framework.
Okay. Like, is there any main difference in between customer framework and decisioning framework? Like, what is the interlink?
That's what the interlink is. NBA advisor. NBA advisor is integrating the customer service with customer decisioning now. Customer service is purely inbound calls and outbound calls, but you're not doing any marketing there. Okay, you're not doing any marketing. For
Exactly.
example, some customer did not pay the last month bill. You will say,
Yeah.
you'll call to the customer and say, you do not pay the bill. When you want to pay, all these things you will ask. But there is no promotion, there is no marketing there. But using next best action advisor, you can promote something in customer service from CDH to customer service through next best action advisor. Okay.
Okay.
Harsha, can
Like,
I ask one question? General question. I'll not take much
Yeah,
time.
ask.
See, we all know that Pega is majorly used for the backend services. Majorly, I know
Yeah.
Pega is in front end also now coming up its core. Do you really think? I mean, the interactions what the customer generally does, right? What I see is majorly in my experiences, right? He come down to raise a ticket or he come down to update his account as such things. Majorly, the front end interaction, right, is very less, right? So how does we identify as any prediction? How does the system will do it? It will be an internal feed by us, or how does it really take?
Somewhere I lost your question actually.
Okay, what I'm saying is the interaction from the first to last is very less in Pega. See what happens is that Pega would majorly look into the customer service part, right? With my experiences, okay, majorly into customer services part, or whenever they have some request, they'll raise a ticket, and that ticket would go on with the different phases of cycle or different stages of cycle, right? So with that, right, how does I mean, how does system would learn the prediction?
Okay. How does the system learn, right? That's what you're telling.
Yeah, how does the system learn the prediction? How does it gives the offer? So that's the point.
See,
So
that's what that
you
is the
gave
purpose of this
the
model.
example,
See,
right?
that is the
Buying a
purpose.
mobile phone and
No, that's what the
yeah.
system learning part is called as interaction history. Okay.
Okay.
Everything that you do as a customer, right? As a customer, you opened a particular mobile offer, you accepted a particular mobile offer, or you accepted some other offer. Everything is stored in interaction history. Okay. So this interaction history will be fed to the models, and the models will know that way. Okay. This customer, before 2 months, he has accepted a mobile. Maybe we can try to give some next version of this mobile. So this kind of analysis will be done by the models, but the data will be stored into interaction history.
Okay.
So it will track internally, and that will be fed to the models. So the models will learn, okay, this customer, we need to provide this offer, this next best action, like that. Okay. Yeah. So we have the topic. We'll see in detail on that as well.
One more question, Harsha.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah. So just now you said, right, when a user logs in, there are offers visible over there. That's an outbound interaction, right? It's not an
No.
inbound one.
It's not an outbound, right? You are logging in, right? You are logging in. See,
Right.
without you opening the website, without you opening the mobile application, you are not getting something, right? You are where you are logging in the business website, or you will log in the business application, mobile application. You are indirectly contacting the business only. That is the meaning of that. So that's called inbound. Okay, that's the
But the
inbound.
offers are being pushed from the back end from Pega, right?
Sorry?
Based on the interaction.
No, sorry, what is the question?
My question was like, when a user logs in, there are offers visible in the right corner. There are few offers visible on the right corner based on the user's login details.
Right.
So that's inbound or is an outbound kind of channel? I mean, like the interaction, what I'm
It's
talking about.
purely inbound, again, purely inbound. Okay. Outbound is something you are not going to the business at all. If you are logging into some application, if you're logging into the website, I'm talking about the business website. Okay. Logging into your email, logging into your mobile phone, that is different. You're not contacting the business there. If you are logging into the business website, if you are logging into the business mobile application, it's indirectly you are contacting the business. You are trying to reach the business. Okay. And then they are providing some offers. So initiation happened from you. Okay. So that marketing you call it as inbound marketing. But you are checking the email, that is not business, right? You are checking your Gmail, Outlook, all those things. There you are getting the offer. You are not contacting the business there. You are just checking your inbox. Then you will get some email saying that, oh, we have some personal loan with less interest, something like that. That spam email will be there. That is outbound.
So we are talking in terms of context, right? So
Context,
the
yes.
context of
Yes.
right. Okay, got it. Yeah, thanks.
Okay, so let us quickly see the cloud edition, how we are going to see the cloud edition. So let us explore that. Just a minute. Just share it. I'm sharing this link in the chat. Meanwhile, you guys also parallelly try to log in. Okay. So just open this link. I believe that all of you have PDN accounts. In case, yeah, inbound is also marketing. Someone is asking, is inbound marketing? So inbound itself is not marketing, right? Inbound itself is not marketing. You're contacting them, then they are promoting something, that is inbound marketing. You're just contacting them for, let us say, for updating your name. They updated your name, over, the call is over. Nothing, no marketing is there. But you are contacting them to update the name, they updated the name. After that, they are promoting, okay, you have 500 Mbps plan, you can purchase that. That is marketing. Okay. So if you are contacting for something that issue is resolved, no marketing is happening there. Okay, just understand the difference here. Okay. Okay, so I sent the link in the chat for everyone. Please open that link. Okay. Open that link and try to log into your PDN account. If you don't have PDN account, click on register and log into that. That's what you have to do.
So, Ravi, after this session, are you going to share us the PPTs what you have presented today?
Yes, the today's PPT will be shared and the recordings and everything will come once you enroll to the course. Okay. So we will add you to the group. We will send the assignments, the recordings, everything once you enroll. So since today is Friday, I recommend everyone to enroll before Monday. Okay. So that you will get all the access. Even I'll try to share some PPTs and notes for this session. I have the notes as well ready. So I'll share that also.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Try to
before
enroll by
enrolling,
Monday.
yeah,
One,
before
one, one doubt,
how many
Harsha, this access
demonstration?
will be for at least, I mean, this for lifetime or for a period of time?
I think this will be there for 6 months also, but just check with the organizer.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how many demo sessions will be provided before enrolling?
Demo sessions, I think 3 sessions will be provided.
Okay.
So starting from today was first session. Then you have 2 more sessions where you can attend the demo. Okay.
Yeah, one more
I
question. So this models, right, which analyzes the interaction history and all that. So that is Pega developed, or we can do any
You can also do
changes
your
on.
own model. You can also create your own model. Pega OOTP models will be there. You can use them. Otherwise, you want more customized model, you can also create your models. Okay.
Okay.
So the good thing is Pega Decisioning, it will create everything. It will create the models, strategies, everything for you to use. Simply, you just need to customize the same thing. Save as the customize for your requirement over. Save as the model, customize for your requirement over. That's it. Okay, so this is the link
So
which I have opened.
so for these banks, right? For example, so they all these banks already maintain an interaction history, or
Yes,
how?
interaction history is maintained. Yeah, in Pega Decisioning. In case if you use Pega Decisioning, interaction history is already OOTP created. Okay, so they will have the interaction history. Everything will be created in Pega CDH applications.
So
Okay.
once they integrate CDH, then it will start logging it, right?
Yes, it will start
Otherwise
loading
not.
once the once the communications are sent to the customer, right? Okay, today I sent 10 emails to 20 customers. Okay, or I sent 10 emails to 10 customers. All that information will be there in the interaction history. Okay, out of these 10 customers, 2 customers responded, 8 customers did not respond. This will be there in the interaction history. Okay, like that the data will be there.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, we'll see more details. Okay, quickly, I just open this URL and log into this. If you did not have account, create an account. Once you create the account, you just need to click on the initialize instance. Then you will be getting this launch Pega button. I clicked on the launch Pega button, and usually it will take some time, or sometimes it will launch immediately also. So it all depends on the instance availability. But again, we have multiple versions are there, not only this version. If I'm not able to show this version, I'll show you in the another version, probably tomorrow. But you need to do this. So you need to come to this URL, bookmark this URL. I have more URLs also. Bookmark this URL, and this is the credentials. Username is this, password is this. Okay, username is this, password is this. That's what you have to log in. Okay, so just try, everyone from your side, please try it.
Yeah, hi Ravi. I'm getting a different screen. Like,
I
while
mean, it's
clicking on
asking
it.
you to register, I believe, right? Or what?
Yeah, I have already registered and I have logged with
Okay,
my mail ID and all.
okay, okay, let us see that. So meanwhile, I'll try to show the portal. Then we can see at the end of the session.
Hi Ravi, I have one question.
Yeah, please
Like
go ahead.
as part of this training, POC implementation will be included.
Yes, POC will be included.
Okay.
Yeah.
On what type of it will be?
Yeah, it will be like real-time scenarios. I have some scenarios ready with me. So we will see that scenarios in detail, how to start and how to end, those kind of things. So I've taken some topics from the real-time projects, mostly most used topics. Okay. And on that, I have the examples ready with me. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it.
So I want to show, but the server seems to be down. So it's trying for that. Let us try for 2 more minutes. Otherwise, we'll drop off and we'll continue it tomorrow. Any more questions? Okay. So again, one more important thing, the most important thing I told you, right? You need to be Pega CSA certified or CSA knowledge. So please make sure that you are having that.
See, I have a knowledge in Pega working style, but I'm not a CSA certified. But I've been working in
That's
Pega
fine.
for
That is
like
fine.
6-7 years.
You are
I'm
for
into
BA,
business
right?
circle. Yeah.
Yeah, for BA, you don't need to have. Okay,
Okay.
I'm telling from the technical point of view, you need to have, but for BA, you don't need to have. Just a knowledge is enough.
Yeah, I mean, in interviews also would it would be more like discussion in these topics only, or it will be they'll deep dive in how do you configure and every sort of things.
No, it will be deep dive. Depending on, if for BA, it will be high level. For technical, it will be deep dive and they will ask you in detail. Technically, also they will ask. But for BA, it will not be like that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so I need to drop off. So just I'm quickly showing you this. And so this is the one I clicked on the launch button. I got this link. I'll click on this link and I will log in with my URL. Sorry, credentials, decisioning architect, and password is rules. So I'm sending this link also in the chat. If that link doesn't work, try to log in with this link also. Okay. So once you log in, right, this is the screen that you get. That's a customer decision hub. Okay, this is a customer decision hub. So you can see all the features that are there in the customer decision hub. This is the portal which we are going to learn from tomorrow onwards. Okay. So from tomorrow onwards, we are going to see practically how the things are there, what is there in the back end, how to set up. All these things will be starting from tomorrow. So today is just an introduction. So I'm just showing you the portal and we are closing it. And from tomorrow onwards, we are going to see in detail how to navigate, how to create some models, strategies, campaigns, etc. Okay, so we'll just continue this questions and answers tomorrow also. Sorry, tomorrow in the sense like Monday. Meanwhile, you can go through this recording and start enrolling. So we'll have 3 demo sessions you can attend on Monday as well. So just hoping most of you to enroll. And thank you all and happy weekend to all.
Ravi, just one
I have
question.
a quick question.
Very fast, please. I have another call, so please.
Yeah.
All right.
Actually, sorry, I joined late, so I might miss the enrollment details. Yeah. to.
Enrollment. You can contact the organizer,
Sure.
whoever joined it. So you can contact them. Whoever gave you the link. Duration is 45 hours. Duration is 45 hours.
All right. Okay.
Okay.
Harsha,
So
just one quick question. Can I?
Yeah, please, first.
All right. Harsha, I am a manager in a travel company for quite a long time. So I'm just trying to transition to a Pega business architect. So do you think
Yes,
this
I think the
course helps
same
me?
common person is also already BA. So BA,
Yeah.
this course is useful for BA also, but you don't need to get much into technical. You can understand the topics and understand how things work. That's it. Okay.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
So there are career options as well, right?
Yes, yes. The same course, you can make sure you are a CPDC BA as well. Okay.
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 All
So guys, so we'll meet on Monday. So let us have more queries on Monday. So happy weekend to all and thank you.
Hey, so we don't have any classes tomorrow?
No, tomorrow we don't have on Monday again. Okay.